You know, in a response to Dr. Kenwanwusu's requiem for the Blue IC, Mazi Ken Okorie said, and I quote, "Let's not get ahead of ourselves. The bones shall rise again." Unquote. Ndị nwem na ndị nkwuru nwere, ekene m unu. Some ask, why bother about the World Igbo Congress? I say there is neither death in the family, nor any bones yet that need to rise. Even the problems in WIC have become a test and challenge for us as Ndi Igbo. Mgberede ka eji ama Ndi Igbo, among other things. So let me humbly suggest that our first tasks are as follows. 1. Reconcile all reconcilable brethren. 2. Remove any obstacles and enable all existing affiliates to return to our Father's house. 3. Recruit additional affiliates to swell the ranks of the progressive elements in the World Igbo Congress. And 4. Restructure and rebuild this veritable symbol of our collective struggle, identity, and consciousness. This is my abiding commitment, and I respectfully submit that it ought to be yours as well. In my next message, I will speak to you about what I have always wished for our people: a consequential World Igbo Congress. Please come join us. The journey to our first task begins in Atlanta at the board meeting on March 26th. We cannot give up. We will not give up. The innovative and progressive clouds shall not long be victorious. We shall not long possess the sky. Aha m bụ Ugorji Okechukwu Ugorji. Chukwu gozie unu. Chukwu goziekwa ala Igbo. Ndewonu. Chukwu